In June, I had $168 of dividend income, which is my highest amount of dividends to date. This was my first month over $100 and marks an important milestone in my investing journey. Throughout this video, I'll be updating you on the progress of my dividend stock portfolio and providing insights I've gained along the way. My name is Zach, and you should leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the video. The purpose of me doing these monthly updates is to show the progression of my portfolio over time. Since I plan on investing for the rest of my life, I think tracking my progress will prove to have valuable insights in the long run. Investing is a slow process with delayed gratification, so people can often get discouraged and quit early. However, the key to seeing results is to invest consistently over a long time horizon. These monthly updates not only help keep myself accountable, but I think they can serve as a powerful way to keep others motivated as well. On that note, let's dive into the numbers. So as you can see in this table, since April, I've gone from $32,939 to $35,048 by the end of June. I invested a smaller amount of money in June due to the large amount I had invested in May and a lack of deals on many of the stocks I was targeting. During the same time frame, we can see that my dividend yield on cost increased from 4.58% to 4.62%, and my compound dividend yield increased from 4.61% to 4.68%. The most important stat in this table might be the differential between my compound dividend yield and yield on cost. In April, that differential was 0.03% and 0.04% in May, followed by 0.06% in June. This marks the gains that I have from reinvesting my dividends back into my holdings. Over time, we will see this differential increase significantly. If you want more details on the power of compounding, you can check out my video on the Dividend Snowball. The link is in the description. In this chart, you can see how the value of my dividend portfolio has changed over time. At the month's close, the overall value was $33,800. This puts my portfolio in the red, but for a sizable time in June, I was actually in the green by a few $1,000s. Although it's nice to be in the green, I'm not very concerned about the current value statistic. This is because my portfolio is long-term focused, and the primary goal is to optimize dividend income. As long as the companies I own are successful and continue to pay their dividends, then that's really all I care about. Since the economic shutdown, I've only had a limited number of companies decrease their dividend, even though most of them saw their stock price fall dramatically. In this next chart, you can see my dividend income to date. This is the big news from June, as I received $168.99 in dividends. This is a big milestone, as it was my first month over $100. It's now time for me to chase that next goal of $200 a month. It is important to note here that dividend income is cyclical, and this is my largest month, so the next 2 months will be lower than this month. Here you can see my cost allocation by sector. Energy is my highest at 18.4%, followed by industrials, real estate, consumer defensive, financial services, consumer cyclical, and so on. One sector that I'm looking to increase significantly is technology, and I'm going to be announcing my plan to do so in the coming month, so stay tuned. Since I didn't buy much new stocks this month, I'm not going to dive deep into the contents of each sector as I have in months past. You can check out my previous monthly updates for a more detailed look at my holdings. The link is in the description. To leave off this video, I thought I'd share some of the stocks which I'll be targeting over the next month. AT&T is my main focus, followed by PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, 3M, Walgreens, Nucor, and FRT. If you're wondering why I'm targeting these stocks, I've made videos about many of them, and I'm willing to answer your questions if you leave a comment. Thank you for watching the 13th video of Dividend Data. I'd greatly appreciate it if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Every month you'll get an update of my full long-term dividend stock portfolio, and every week get a video like this. If you follow me on Twitter, link in the description, you can get real-time updates of my buys and dividends coming in. I'm launching a Patreon where you can support the channel. Here you can gain access to my personal spreadsheet, chat with other viewers, and have your name displayed at the end of every video as a premium supporter of the channel. The link is in the description. Please leave a comment below, and thank you for watching.